Sai Ram. Welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. Let's learn English series with Kalpana Heblekar. Okay. Today we are going to make small letter words continuation. I hope you have learnt the previous words and also the consonant sounds. Let's learn further and see what it is. Okay. Now we are going to make recap of the sounds of the consonant letter X, Y and Z. Okay. Yes, very good. So, the consonant letter X has two sounds. Okay. What are they? Yes, they are Z and X. Okay. Z as in Xerox. Okay. Z as in Xerox and X as in exercise, exit, exile. Okay. Excite. Excite means being very happy. Okay. Yes. And then consonant letter Y. Okay. It has got only one sound. It is called Va. Y. Y. Okay. Okay. Example you. You. Okay. Year. Year. Y-E-A-R. Year. So, see the stress is given on year. Then yes, yes, your, correct. Then we have the consonant letter Z. So, the last letter Z has got only one sound and it is Z. Yes, like in zebra, okay, zebra. Then we have zinc, zinc. Then we have zoo. So, let us see what are the words now with X, ox, O-X, ox, okay. Then we have Xmas tree or you can say Christmas tree also, but usually they say Xmas tree, okay. Yes, now we will learn the sounds. O-X, so O-X, O-X, ox. Then Xmas tree, X, M, A, S, T, R, E. So, E is one sound, E, okay. Then Xerox, Z, okay, Z, E, R, O, X. See, here it is X is Z and here it is X. So, that is X and S together, okay, X. So, Z-E-R-O-X, that is Z-E-R-O-X, okay. So, you should learn this properly again and again when you have some different sounds, okay. In one of the same word if you have two different sounds like in elephant, okay. So, you should learn those words properly because you will know it again and again. I am telling you that you have to learn. Unless you learn every day, you can't learn any language for that matter. Okay, let us see. Now, Christmas is coming. Yes, see the decorated Christmas tree. So, it is called Christmas tree or Xmas tree. Okay, and then it is said that when we decorate it with lot of gifts and all, Santa Claus comes and it blesses. Okay, and he collects the gifts and goes and gives to each and every child's house. It is said like that. So, and then Xerox. Have you seen Xerox machine? Yes, you want to do photocopy of so many of your lessons, or you want to see let's learn English, the series, you want to make it Xerox and keep it so that easily, even if you don't have internet, you can just go through the lessons. So, it is Xerox. Yes. Then we have ox. See this ox, it is very hard working animal, right? Yes, it keeps on working in the field. Ox, yes, throughout the day it works, poor thing, very hard working. Yes. Then yes, Y-E-S, yes, Y-E-S, yes, Y-E-S, yes. It is said that God also likes us saying yes, okay. So, we have heard many times Sadguru Madhusudan Sai is saying that his two favorite words are yes and yes Swami. Okay. So, yes. So, whatever is said, it should be yes. Okay. Then only we feel that we have confidence in the person, and we also know that the person who is elder to us says something for our good. Okay. It is not something for our bad. So, even if your mother says or father says something, you say yes, whatever they say, because they are experienced, they know everything, right? Correct. So, yes. Then we have you, Y-O-U-U. So, Y-O-U, you. Okay. So, you means you. Yes, not me, it is you. Correct. Very good. Then yo-yo. All of you play yo-yo? Yes. How many of you play? Yes, very good. It's very easy game, and you can play it alone, right? Yes, you don't have to have a partner for it. So, it is very nice time pass. Time pass? Yes. What is the time pass? Yes, when you are sitting freely, instead of watching the mobile, okay, and then doing all seeing unnecessary things, it is better to play with the yo-yo. Okay. And when you throw the yo-yo down, you can say your tables, or you can say English sounds, letters, sounds, spellings. So, when it falls, that means you are wrong. Okay. So, yo-yo. Yes. Then we have yoga. Now, can you tell me what is yoga? Yes, it is very famous these days. Earlier, some years we didn't know. Of course, olden times, the rishis, munis and all, they were doing yoga. It came through them only to us, okay. But people are so busy, they were not doing yoga. Only the spiritual people, spiritual minded people were doing yoga. But nowadays, so many diseases have come, So, it is a must to do yoga for every human being, they say. So, everyone, even in foreign countries, in India, everyone, they stress that we have to do yoga, okay. And yoga, actually it is free. You can just, see Lord Surya and do Surya Namaskar, okay. While doing Surya Namaskar, there are some, exercises done, that is enough for us. So, everyone have to get up in the morning and do Surya Namaskar, okay. So, yoga. So, yoga is very good for health. See how it is, all the postures it is shown. So, you have to do, that is stretching of hands and your legs, okay. When you stretch your hands and your legs, the muscles which are tightened will be loosened, okay, and the blood flow will be flowing properly. So, we do not have, swollen eyes or swollen cheeks or swollen hands and legs, right? Okay, very good. All of you promise to do yoga from tomorrow? Very good, yes. Okay, yellow. Now, what is yellow? Yes, yellow is a color. Yes, yellow. How many of you like the color yellow? Yes, me too. Okay, why? Because it is color of sun, God's sun. Now, what is sun? Yes, what is his one more name? I had told in the previous class. Come on, tell me. Who can tell? Those who have learned really for 15 minutes, it's a challenge. Come on, tell me. What is the other name for sun god? Yes, correct. Vivaswan. Yes, very good. Okay. So, and in which book we can see this? Which epic? Yes, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Yes, very good. Yes. Then year. Y-E-A-R. Year. Year. E-A-R. Year. Y-E-A-R. Year. Okay. Then yell. What do you mean by yell? Y-E-L-L. Yell. Year. Y-E-L-L. So, yell. Okay. Now, what do you mean by yell? Sometimes, you irritate your mother so much, mother or anybody, but I am taking a example of mother every time, because all the children are always with the mother first, okay. So, I am telling mother's example is first, okay. So, I am not telling teacher, because you do not try to irritate your teacher, right. If you irritate, what happens? she'll stop the lesson and she'll go out. Yes. So, good children. So, you are going to irritate your mother. Mom, please give me this. Please, I want this only. I want that. Your mother is giving you. Today you eat kheer. Tomorrow I will prepare something which you like. No, I want today rasgulla only. So, she'll get angry, and she'll shout, don't you understand, I can't do this today? So, she'll shout loudly, your neighbors also will come, what happened? Okay. So, that is called yelling. Yell, Y-E-L-L, yell, yes. Now, he is looking very smilingly, he is yelling, but actually yelling means angry, okay. Angrily she will shout. Yes, shout. Yes, very good, like this way, very good, okay. Then we have yogurt. Now we can't say curds every time, okay. Now we are learning English, so we should learn big words, okay. So yogurt, yogurt, Y, that is Y-O-G. Yes, again tricky word, G, U-R-T. So U again is A, okay. So Y-O-G-A-R-T, yogurt, okay. So yogurt is curds only, but it is still more thick, okay. No little water also is there. So Lord Krishna likes yogurt very much, and then when you want some change, in yogurt you can put little sugar, then you can add some dry fruits, then you can add some jelly and make it yummy, okay. So all of you like to eat ice cream? Yes. So instead of ice cream, you try this. This is more healthy than ice cream, okay. Yes, very good. So mouth is watering? Yes. Let us give a treat to ourselves, okay. Pat on your shoulder? Yes. Very good. Okay. Now we will have the word yesterday. Yesterday, Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y, yesterday. Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y, yesterday, okay. So, Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y, okay, yesterday, yes. Then yesterday has another story to tell. Now, what is that? I had told you last time, yes. So, yesterday means what is gone beyond, okay. So, yesterday, today and tomorrow. There are three things which are very important and we should never forget. Whatever we do yesterday, it will not come back to us. We can't rub out. See, when we write something, we have the opportunity to take the eraser and rub out, right? But in our life, God has not given us that opportunity to rub out anything. Either we do good or we do bad. So, whatever it is, even if we do good, we cannot rub it out. If we do bad also, we cannot take a eraser and rub it out because the time is already gone. So, once the time is gone, it will never come to us again. So, I told you yesterday, okay. So, what you have to do is always remember that we have to utilize our time properly. So, yesterday will not come back to us today. Today it will not come, and tomorrow it is not in our hand. We don't know, right? So, nothing is known what will happen to us tomorrow at this time. Today you are learning English with me, okay? Tomorrow at this time we don't know where we will be and what we will do, okay? So, tomorrow is not in our hand. Yesterday also is not in our hand. The time is today. So, today you should utilize properly and happily, okay, and do some service to others so that God will be happy. Yes, very good. Then young, Y-O-U-N-G, young, Y-O-U-N-G, young. Is it correct? Wrong. Why? Come on, tell me fast. Who will tell me? Yes, I told J. So, it is wrong. Okay, it is y, o, u, n, g. Correct. Very good. So, why I am telling you again and again, why I am telling mistake, it is not that I don't know and I am making mistake, but I want you to correct. I want to see how many of you are paying attention in the class. So, only when I make mistake, you will say, ma'am, this is wrong. What you have said, you had told G has got two sounds, G and J. Okay, G as in get, okay, J as in ginger, correct, very good. Okay, so young, so it will be G. Then your, Y-O-U-R, your, so Y-O-U-R, your. Then Yamuna, yes, what is Yamuna? Yes, Yamuna is a name also, correct, but actually what I want to ask you is, what is Yamuna? There are many rivers, okay, in India flowing, yes, Ganga, then Saraswati, Jamuna, then one more is Yamuna, Brahmaputra. So, one of the river is Yamuna, okay. So, it is one of the sacred river. Sacred means very, very pious, like Ganga. So, Yamuna, Ya, A, M, U, N, A, Yamuna, okay? Yes, very good. So, now the next word we learn is zip. This is also a new word, zip. Now, what do you mean by zip? Yes, all of you have backpacks. How many of you are carrying backpacks? Yes, show me. Yes. So, the backpacks will have a zip, okay, which will be opening and closing, okay. So, zip. So, let us see. Yes, this is called a zip, okay. It is shown very nicely, see. If you pull on one side and take it to the other side, it will be closed. If you pull that and bring this side, it will be open, but two at a time you can't do, okay. Yes. So, do not do tug of war with this. Then zeal, Z-E-A-L, zeal, that means you are very interesting. Zeal, Z-E-A-L, Z-E-A-L, zeal. Then Zoom, all of you know Zoom, right? Yes, Zoom. So, you have online classes and then Zoom meetings. Yes, very good. Zoom, Z-O-O-M, Zoom, Z-O-O-M, Zoom. Okay, zest, Z-E-S-T, zest, Z-E-S-T, zest. Then we have zebra, Z-E-B-R-A. Is it correct? Wrong. Why? I am saying wrong. Why? Yes. Nobody knows? That means you are not interested in the class because it is Z. So, now ma'am will stop. So, no need of listening again. Yes, you have to be interested until the last, till I finish, okay. Now, what did I say? Z, E, B I said. What is the sound of B? B, okay. So, Z, E, B, R, A, zebra, okay. Now, when I told you last time, when you see zebra, what you have to do? Yes, thank God for the beautiful creation which He has done, okay. Only the, most, even if the most intelligent painter would not have thought about this type of animal. See, the straps over here are little bit, like this curved, then here it is going slanting, then here it is again this side curved. So beautifully God has taken so much time to create this, right. So, we should appreciate, okay. So, we should always say thank you God for being so kind and creating such beautiful things like me also, okay. That means all of us are also the beautiful creations of God, because no two people are same. Even if twins, when they are twins, twins, similar children when are born together, so they have little difference, Okay, so their mother will name them Ram, Sham. So you know, some Sham will have one beauty spot over here, or you know, Sham will have little dark features, and Ram will have little fair features, like that. Okay, so no two things are equal in God's creation. So see how much time God has taken, and God has time for everybody because He is in our heart. Okay, yes, zebra. Zoo, Z-O-O, zoo. Okay. So, zoo is a place where wild animals are there. So, we can go and you can appreciate God's beauty over there, but do not try to throw stones or you know give junk food to the zebra or monkeys, orangutan, you know, the big size monkeys, those. Then we have leopards over there. Do not try to put hand in that net and you know try to give. Sometimes they are wild, right? They can pounce you also. Okay, try to hurt you because they are scared. They think, what do they know? They are animals, right? So they don't know that you know you are coming to give food or you know you are going to pet them or something. They will think you are going to beat them with something. So anything they will think they are animals. So first they will see that it is wrong, something wrong they will think, okay, and they will try to pounce you, hurt you, it will hurt you. Okay. So don't put your hand over the net and all that, and don't try to climb or tease the animals, you know, over there. Just go and enjoy. Okay. Yes. So next time you visit some beautiful zoo, remember me also, okay, because I too love to see the nature and thank God again and again. Yes. Now that is with the letter Z. So now today we have done X, Y and Z, and now we are completing with the consonant and the vowel letter sounds and also the words. Okay. So I want all of you to go home, revise again and again, and we will see in the next class. We will have a very interesting game for all of you. Okay. So thank you for visiting Shri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes, and you are listening to Let's Learn English series with Kalpana Hablekar, and let us meet again next time. Thank you and Sai Ram.